The kidneys are vital organs that play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. They filter waste products from the blood, regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and produce hormones that are essential for red blood cell production and bone health. However, kidney disease is a growing concern worldwide, often exacerbated by poor dietary choices and lifestyle habits. Fortunately, certain foods can help protect and support kidney health. In this article, we'll explore 5 foods that can save your kidneys and help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are powerhouse foods that offer numerous health benefits, particularly for kidney health. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in potassium, which is beneficial for individuals with kidney disease, especially those on dialysis. Nutritional benefits. Leafy greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. They contain antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic kidney disease (CKD). How to incorporate them: add sautéed spinach to your morning omelette, blend kale into smoothies, or toss Swiss chard into soups and stews. Aim for at least 1 serving of leafy greens daily. 2. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries, are not only delicious but also beneficial for kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. Nutritional benefits. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They also have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for those managing blood sugar levels, which is essential for kidney health. How to incorporate them: enjoy berries as a snack, add them to your breakfast cereal or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Aim for a variety of berries to maximize their health benefits. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which provide numerous health benefits, including kidney protection. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are crucial for maintaining kidney function. Nutritional benefits. Fatty fish are rich in protein, vitamin D, and selenium. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids can help prevent kidney damage and support overall cardiovascular health. How to incorporate them: aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Grill, bake, or sauté fish with herbs and spices for a healthy meal option. You can also try incorporating canned sardines into salads or pasta dishes for added flavor and nutrition. 4. Garlic. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to many dishes but also a remarkable food for kidney health. It contains allicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Nutritional benefits. Garlic can help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, which can damage kidney tissue. Additionally, it may help lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health, thereby supporting kidney function. How to incorporate it: use fresh garlic in cooking to enhance the flavor of your dishes. You can roast garlic to mellow its flavor and spread it on whole grain bread or mix it into hummus. Garlic supplements are also available, but it's best to consume it in its natural form when possible. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is known for its health benefits, particularly for heart and kidney health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Nutritional benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it a heart-healthy choice. It can also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting better kidney function. How to incorporate it: use olive oil as your primary cooking oil for sautéing and roasting vegetables. Drizzle it over salads or use it as a dip for whole grain bread. Aim to replace saturated fats with olive oil in your cooking for optimal health benefits. Conclusion: maintaining kidney health is essential for overall wellness, and diet plays a significant role in supporting these vital organs. Incorporating these 5 kidney-friendly foods: leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, garlic, and olive oil into your diet can help protect your kidneys and promote long-term health. In addition to these foods, it's important to stay hydrated, limit sodium intake, and maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider and monitoring your kidney function are also crucial for preventing kidney disease. By making these dietary changes and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can take proactive steps toward preserving your kidney health and enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet is not just about what you eat but also about making informed choices and enjoying a variety of foods that nourish your body. By choosing foods that support kidney function, you can empower yourself to live a healthier life.